animals 动物 animals 动物 Let's look at the picture. Spider 蜘蛛 Spider 蜘蛛 Spider 蜘蛛 Spider 蜘蛛 Repeat after me. 蜘蛛 Spider. Seal The seal is living in the sea, so we say 海豹 Bao means leopard 豹 海豹 seal 海豹 seal Repeat after me. 海豹 seal 海豹 seal Tiger 老虎 Tiger 老虎 Repeat after me 老虎 Tiger 老虎 Tiger Turtle 乌龟 The characters of 乌龟 see here and compare with the simple Chinese font here. They are totally different. Here is very complicated to write. So we say again, turtle 乌龟 turtle wolf 狼 wolf 狼 wolf 狼 wolf 狼 wolf worm 蚯蚓 worm 蚯蚓 worm 蚯蚓 worm Repeat after me 蚯蚓 worm whale 金鱼 whale 金鱼 Repeat after me 金鱼 金鱼 whale 金鱼 whale 金鱼 zebra zebra 斑马 zebra 斑马 zebra 斑马 zebra zebra 斑马斑马 斑 means strip strip you see the strip on the body strips 斑 means strips 斑马 zebra 斑马 repeat after me 斑马斑马 zebra 斑马 zebra That's the lesson for today. See you next time. Bye bye.